My name is STS. I would like to take this opportunity to thank my mom, my father, and of course God for blessing me with this gift that I have today. And for that, I thank you all.
It's my mom and my father. Ngiyona lento engiyona namhlanje without you. Ngaba ngiyona lento engiyona namhlanje without you. Ngaba ngiyona lento engiyona namhlanje without you. So thank you.
Instead of sorrows, man, I'm handing out scriptures, painting vivid pictures of my life. That's how I cry. I've been blessed with that curse. With God I never stress. The Father that never left. It's like He took hold of my hand and said, you the man, never stray from your path. Make use of the past, foundation of success, that's the plan. I never knew my father, my mama raised a man. In the booth I raised hell, make sure my presence fails. Only to raise bands and make sure my family's fed. Only to raise bands and make sure my family's fed. I heard a voice in my head that said, man, you've been good so far, to you I stay true. This God's gift to pay dues, make sure my family good. I stay humble and true, good God, I know it's you. I gotta thank my mama, that woman is the truth. So hello mama, Sita, this one is for God and you. Hey.
Thank you, 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 thank you. Ngabangena lento engiyona namhlanje without you. Ngaba ngiyona lento engiyona namhlanje without you.